The people that have dealt much with the Igbo people is the Catholic Church. The Catholic Church has made sure that everything the Igbo people represent was rubbed to the mud. That will explain. Who is Bishop Shanahan? Bishop Shanahan was the man that made sure that every Igbo people today sees Ekwensu as Satan. That is part of the love that the Catholic is showing the Igbo people. The people who demean your culture to infuse their own in you. Remember, you are not the one I'm attacking. Don't get me wrong. This is we trying to dissect matters. What love did the Catholic people show the Igbo people? Mention one love. The love that they sent Irish missionaries. That's why I said we don't even understand the way the church operates. The entirety of Europe is a Ponzi scheme. The 1884 Berlin Conference proved that my point about the Ponzi scheme is real. What do? They set this one to be like a savior to you and set this one to be a killer. The killer and the savior is working for one grandmaster. For example, imagine France coming to your aid where Italy killed you. They are the same people. Imagine Spain coming to your aid when Germany killed you. They are the same people. Imagine Belgium coming to your aid when Netherlands has killed you. They are the same people. So what did the Catholic Church do to Africa? Do to Igboland precisely? Mention one thing. A people that brought about the war we are fighting today, the struggle of the Biafra people, the same people that brought in divide and conquer, the same people that did the power toggle, the same people that made power to shift to the north, the same people is sending you aid after killing you. So what did the Catholic Church do for Igboland? Erecting a school where you must have taken away the core values of a people, inciting a war, then coming as peacekeepers, bringing about uprising, then bringing aid to capture it on camera. It's just like a man who killed my father, promising me to take care of me through school. When you're taking care of me through school, feel for the vacuum you've caused in my life, taking the life of my father. There are people who came and took away our 4 sons, took away the Ikenga holders, took away our heritage. Our 4 sons who are the ones heading the Agbo. And we're not you can't go around no. That is the love they brought to our people. But can I make a free fat and talk to them? Don't know free fat before man do come along the day. Ni Colombia Fuamo, na ni Igbo. Be can Gana Nodo, na Benia, no Kabia, say, no, I won't use each let. You see about Mechi Abolia. If any of weekend Gana buy no noka. Or my can put answer one them. Look at the way they wasted hands. Answer along with you, on where I see you. Only na join na wafa se bafa mafada tansi ongolo nwuchie maka ndị ba ya da nwuchu tansi nwa da age aka bia kedu ihe ndoka kedu ihe Catholic Church mere ndị Igbo ofife ka nchoka nno Bishop Shanahan that the Igbo people today so much hate Ekwensu without understanding the concept of Ekwensu is Shanahan. Onye bụ Shanahan? What is love from Shanahan? Shanahan mban bobo free from the na Biafran war Ndoka, the same people, the same British people, touch logo, with the Irish people as aid. All of them is a Ponzi scheme. A people whose civilization was so advanced was made to live that which they had, to begin to believe. They took away principle and gave us faith. We were a people living with principle. We don't believe things, we know things. They took away the principle of knowing and introduced the concept of faith. We started believing. Since the day our people stopped principle and chose faith, that is the day we Igbo na ni. Malukoni na ni Igbo, ka onye Anglican enwere ike ime onye Catholic. Don't ofife ndoka with our Bible is with ofife. Nsibidi is one of the most advanced form of writing. These people made sure it is nowhere to be found. Nsibidi is nowhere to be found. Ancient writings that knew no boundary, taken away from my people. Matthew 10:34. And Jesus says, think not that I've come for peace. I've not come for peace. Rather to send a son, to set a son against the father, to set a daughter against the mother. This is their tactics to divide and conquer.